Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing good. Before we start our class, we'll do our brain hug. Let's do it. Thumbs up, thumbs down, cross your arms, clasp your fingers, and give yourself a brain hug. Yay! So why we are doing this brain hug every day, children? Because our brain is our boss. Our brain is our boss, children. So we should take care of our head because our brain located a backside of our head, children. So whenever you are playing, whenever you are jumping, or whenever you are fighting, you should not hit anybody on backside of their head, or you should also take care of your head, not to hit to the wall or don't jump high so that you will get hurt to your head, children. So who is our boss? Our brain is our boss. So kiss your brain. Yes, ma'am. I have seen so many children doing the activity of sight words. It's awesome, children. I am proud of you. Before we start our class, let's do the recap once. The sight words reading. My, it, on, is, the, in, act. So every day please keep practice, children. So we have done with the sight words, children. Let's move to our A word families where we have done in the last class, like act word families, add word families, and word families. So just quickly we'll do a recap of A word families also, children. This is a bat, this is a hat, this is a cat, this is a rat, this is a mat, and the rhyming words: bat, mat, cat, pat, fat, rat, hat, sat. Now add word families. Rag, this is a rag, this is a tag, this is a bag, this is a bag, and the rhyming words: bag, sag, lag, tag, nag, wag, rag, zag. And the last one, and word families. Can, this is a pan, this is a fan, this is a van. Now here the rhyming words: ban, pan, can, ran, fan, tan, man, van. So we read all the A word families, children. Now we are going to write a dictation. I wanted to see that each and every child has to take your practice notebook and turn to dictation page. Turn to dictation page and take your pencil and eraser with you, so that if you write any mistake also, you can rub and write it again correctly. So when ma'am says, you have to listen carefully, children. When ma'am says the word, you need to listen carefully, and you have to tell yourself that word in your mind. Like suppose if Shanti ma'am is saying cat, you need to say in your mind k, that means you can pull the beginning sound, middle sound, and the end sound, so that you can write correctly, children. Are you ready, children? I know my kids are awesome. They all know all the A word families. They are going to write awesome and they are going to get all the words correct. Kiss your brain before we are writing the dictation, because it is going to help you. Now let's start the dictation. Just stop now. So children, let's start writing the dictation. Are you ready, children? Yes. Okay. Before we write the dictation, please write the date, children. Please write the date on the top of the page, right side page. Okay. Okay, you have done with the date. That's awesome. So, the first word is mat. 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 At. Mat. At. Mat. Oh, you have done it. That's awesome. Okay. The second word, children. Pan. Pan. Oh, everybody is writing fast. Lovely. Pan. Pan. Oh, you done it. Okay, that's awesome. The third word is tag. 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 Ag. Tag. Oh, somebody is telling. It's very easy to write. Wow, my kids are so smart. Everybody done? That's awesome. The next word is rat. Rat. At. Rat. At. Rat. Oh, awesome, children. Awesome. You all are writing awesome. I can see everybody very quietly they are writing. Good job, children. So the next one is wag. 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 Ag. Wag. So children, the next word is can. 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 K. An. K. An. Can. Oh, someone is telling me that is very easy. Okay. Done, everyone? Can I move to the next word? Yes. Okay. The next word is bag. 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 Oh, you already done it. Good job, children. You are writing very fast. Okay, the next word is cat. K. At. Cat. K. At. Cat. Done. Very fast. Good job. Okay, now listen carefully. You need to write the sentence very neatly, maintaining the finger gap. Okay, children? Okay. The sentence is the bag. The beginning letter should be T. Capital letter, children. The beginning letter should be capital. The bag has a tag. The We should not forget the second rule of writing the sentence, children. If you're done with the sentence writing, please put a period. Put a period.